Alright guys, today we're going to be installing the MMX lowering springs. I went with these just because it doesn't have as much of a dramatic drop as the H&R Sports from what I read. And they're meant to work with the stock dampers and shocks without bottoming out and causing any issues, which I've read the H&R do. Your shocks go sooner than they normally would. So I'm going to try them out, see what they look like. Here's the car's height right now. Pretty big wheel gap. Thing looks like it's lifted at the moment. Let's see what the measurement is. So for the front, we have about 27.5 for the height. And the rear, we're at about 27 exact. I'll say 20, yeah, we'll say 27. And this is xdrive, by the way, so it's higher than your normal sport suspension with the M Sport package. This is the M Sport package, but they didn't lower them on the xdrives. Here's what they look like out of box. There's that one. These ones. So yeah, I'll get them installed and show you guys what they look like afterwards. So this is what it looks like after driving it. It looks like it did settle down quite a bit. Kind of what I was looking for. I didn't want to go too low for rubbing issues and also scraping because my driveway is very steep. And I also want this one that's going to work with the dampers and bump stops and stuff. So that way they don't bottom out and have any issues in the future. Let's take some measurements. 27.5 was the original in the front. We're at about 26.25. So that's a 1.25 inch drop on the front. And then I think it was 27 in the rear. And now we have, let's see, it's close to 3/4. I'm gonna say 25.75. So yeah, another 1.25 inch. So 1.25 inch drop, front and rear. That's what it looks like. They might drop more. I only drove it about 15 minutes. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. Fitment still looks pretty good. I'm probably gonna get an alignment in a week or so. So yeah. All right. I guess that's it for this video. Thank you guys. Let me know if you guys have any ideas for any other videos. And like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.